Let me tell you a little story about a man named Herbert Hoover. Born in West Branch, Iowa on August 10, 1874, he would become the first president born west of the Mississippi. Following his parents' death, he was left an orphan at the age of 9. He was the first student ever to attend Stanford University and graduated with a degree in geology. From there, he went to work as a mining engineer, where he eventually devised a way to remove zinc from mines and started the Zinc Corporation. In 1899, he married Lou Henry and together raised 2 children. He was later appointed as the head of the U.S. Food Administration and Secretary of Commerce. In 1928, Herbert Hoover was elected as the nation's 31st president, becoming the last cabinet secretary to be directly elected president. Less than a year after the election, Hoover faced the Great Depression and dealt with unemployment rates as high as 25%. This tough time ultimately led to him losing re-election. On October 20th, 1964, Herbert Hoover died in New York at the age of 90. Of the many landmarks which contain his name, the Hoover Dam in Nevada is the most recognized. And there you go, a little story about a man named Herbert.